Morning, Alan. Hope you're well. Getting the day started. At least it's Wednesday. We're almost halfway through the week. So earlier in the year, I told you I had to withdraw my funds from Forex because we made a big ticket purchase, and I thought now's a good time to share with you. So that's my dogs. Bear with me. We're still busy unpacking. It's still a little bit of a mess, but we're getting there slowly. So here we go. Little dining room. Boxes because we're still busy unpacking. More boxes. And then if we go this way, we've got a spare bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, shower big enough for 4 people, bath big enough for 1, unless you're very small, then maybe you can fit 2 people in there. Then got a nice sunken lounge, which, as you can see, only my dogs use. A couple of little holes in the wall that I was polyfillering, that's why the ladder's sitting there. Beautiful fireplace for winter time. Nice little sunken lounge, open plan onto the kitchen. So there's our not so little kitchen, it's massive. Microwave, warming drawer, oven, and another oven, I'm guessing for if you're very hungry. Fridges, beautiful pigeon pair over there. Dishwasher, all came with the house. Well, didn't come with the house, we purchased it from the previous owner. Then down the passage this way, there's a little guest bathroom, just a toilet and a bath. This here is going to be our office. So we're busy sorting this out. The fibre line has now been activated, so we're getting closer. And then main bedroom over here. And it's massive for some reason. Maybe if I fight with my wife, we can sleep on opposite ends of the room. Nice walk-in cupboard, beautiful ensuite bathroom. So, let me show you the garage. It still needs a lot of work, but then you can see when I say sometimes I accidentally buy bikes. I'll explain to you what I mean. And then just to put things into perspective, we didn't buy the house cash. We still have a bond, but we paid the deposit and the bond registration fees and the transfer fees. All of that got paid by Forex. So there we go. Garage needs a bit of work, but all those times I said to you I accidentally bought another motorbike. That's what happens. Any case, I just wanted to share that. Like I said, this is we didn't buy it cash. We have a bond. But if it wasn't for Forex, if it wasn't for the EA, I would still be living in that little rented house on the plot, which was falling apart. So I guess thank you.